Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up board game Torres for 4 players. The first thing you need to do to set it up for 4 players is let all of the players choose their knight color, and the choice is between blue, purple, green and yellow. When every player chooses their color, put one of the knight of each color on 0 on scoreboard. Then put remaining knights in front of each player. So in front of the green player are gonna be the green knights, etc. And then give each player action cards of their color. So for the green player, 10 green action cards face down, and the same for other players. Then put a face card on the table. For 4 players it's gonna be a corresponding 4-player face card. Put it on the table for everyone to see. And now when you've put it, you can see that for the first phase for 4 players there are gonna be 8 building segments in 4 towers, 2 segments each. So give each player 4 towers of 2 segments each. For the green player, yellow, purple and blue. And then put 8 segments on these places on the board. And now the youngest player gets to put their knight on one of the chosen towers. Then go in clockwise order, and the next player gets to choose the tower, the next one as well, and the last one as well, and the last one also gets to choose where to put the knight, the king, and the king can be put anywhere on these 3 towers, and that's gonna be the king tower. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.